ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Karait Laban Secondary School ha ka khanyo trik upanai no pra arajar arpuai kala Rakhe ka Jingdap san Snem ha ka jing sam ki umpo leu jingstan jong ki nong snong ki ba shong basa hapo karait Laban Shillong ha ka jing Rakhe ye ni ka sngi la sakhi lang de District School Education Officer jong ka East Khasi Hills District ka kong M Lingwa ka balalong kum ka kong san Presiden Karait Laban Dorbar uba Aisun, Presiden Jongka School Managing Committee uba Di Shabong, ke Headmistress Jongka School ke Kong M Lingdo, ki kena school, lembat ki kme ki pa Jongki kena school. Lapan syong kun ye gani ka sngi di ki jing ruai bat ki jing shat ne ki kena school, ki balaya shimbenta lang hagani ka jing Rakhe, Jongka School ye ka jing yai linti ka basan potli ki Snem.
Applause, please, everybody. Let's join our hands together.
All right, let us all clap.
Cheer for our Laban School. Proud and loudly we sing of His name. A momentum with honor here we stand, and we promise to work for His fame. Bearing a stripe of grey, white, and red, with our teachers to guide our way, guiding us to that we bloom and grow in whose strength for the future from today. God bless our school we pray as we march on forward with our prayer. Cheer for our Laban School. Proud and loudly we sing of His name. Education is the key to success. With this motto we shall gain our best. Education is the key to success. With this motto we shall give our best. Come and celebrate with us today, as we remember all that was done. Such a good milestone to have achieved. 50 years gone for a celebration. Thanks to all the good people and friends who planted the seed for us all, to change our life through this school. So gratefully we can stand on. We welcome you.
and on behalf of the teachers of LP, UP, and secondary, respectively, and on behalf of the managing committee members, on behalf of the students, on behalf of the parents, I take this opportunity to welcome you all in this gathering, which is today the celebration of the 50th anniversary of the school, and today is the opening day for this celebration. Actually, the school authorities, we had a plan to open the ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration in the month of May. But as you all know, that due to COVID, we could not celebrate this function at that time. But anyway, by the grace of God, the things have been improving, and now we are here to gather and to celebrate this opening ceremony. I also sincerely welcome our chief guest, who is the DSEO, Smt. M. Lingwa, our guest of honor, Ba Ai Sun, who is the president of the Right Laban Dorbar. And I take also this opportunity to welcome you all, as I said, even the past pupils, the former teachers of the school, the former students who are present here. So I remember when I was a student, if I'm not mistaken, during 1971, I was the student of one school in this Laban, and the teachers, the headmaster, he took us all to this place. And this building, if I'm not mistaken, it was constructed in the year 1971. So, and the school was established in the year 1972. So next year, we are going to complete, the school is going to complete its journey, the 50 years journey. And in this period of 50 years journey, on behalf of the managing committee, I express my sincere gratitude to all the teachers. The former teacher at that time was Ba Hesting Kharmongor, late. And after that, Kong Nong Ning, who present here. And I remember late Mrs. Nina Rinja also had been a teacher in the school. And I remember all the teachers in those days, though I was not a student of the school, but as a resident of this Laban area, we used to come across and interact many times in any school function or in any matters related to the society. And actually, the school was established in the year 1972 and was known as Laban Khasi High School, Milliams Imship at that time. And in the year 1978, the school was renamed as Laban High School, and at present, we know it as the Laban Secondary School. The Laban Dorbar being the sponsoring body, it is a very interesting to know that from those years, the Right Laban Dorbar has been the sponsoring body of the school, helping the school, though the school, the teachers, they are getting the salary from the government from time to time, but to meet the budget of the school, all the expenses of the school, the Right Laban Dorva has come forward to lend their hands to help the school authority, to help the teachers in giving the financial assistance for payment of salary to the non-teaching staff. That is the office assistant, the cleaners, maintenance of the school building and campus, repairing work, etc., as required from time to time. Do the school receive fund from the government for payment of salary to the staff? But it sanctioned the fund only once in 3 months. So the Dorbar provides additional fund known as revolving fund for payment of monthly salary to the teaching staff, as well as to ease the problem faced by them from time to time. Kawai kabang jukan mawe kan ke school haka Snem ar-hajar nyo idon iwe inong hikai ilit babu kie khar kongor iba ju khot yang hakipor balai bangan nyarap ya kan ke school tengah kan mau I headmistress ke tu kapor ikan mau tengah ju don kata mansim bagan ke school ngaso try bagan ke school jong kan ke Right Laban kabalong kepada sponsor hi damangi kinong senong jong ke Right Laban pelun te kumbang ong meneh ngaken mau na dok banga dang lek school hang te kapok school Laban ba kitu ki rangba kitu ki por kibalaya lek stom banya thau ya kan laka jong ke school hak tu kapor na dok Snem khak khandai spa nyo foi lang bakla manga hak bangan ke school building kala don kumnehi kumbakalong bat kumta ter kila nang penhe bat ang penbha na kapor sa kapor daga jing tray sitam jong kinong hikai daga jing tray sitam jong ki managing committee hakitu kipor bat bangi sayo kat kanika building kumbakalong menta tengah ai hublai gitu ki managing committee hakitu kipor lada ki don ki dekhot ki badang don ki don ki dekhot ki bom don syo akan keslapat hai ten raya ka mati ka baki kilale ngathrai mangi iwai pa iwai ngin omkle.
During the year 1960, some responsible and far-sighted persons of Right Laban who had been imbued with philanthropic idea felt the need of a school in this locality, duly equipped for imparting education in modern line. A site far from marketplace with wide playground was set up with up-to-date teaching techniques and teaching aids. This noble idea was sounded to all the interested people of the locality, and a Dorbar was convened several times to popularize the move. The CM of Millennium was also invited to the Dorbar. He wholeheartedly endorsed the idea and encouraged people by allotting 5 acres of right land for the school campus. Shri B.K. Nehru, the then governor of Assam, personally came and laid the foundation stone for the school building in the year 1969. The first managing committee of the school was constituted, and the first managing committee was held on the 25th September 1971. The first president of the managing committee was late Davison Marbanyang. The first secretary was late Finton Milimngap. And other members were late B.C. Warjri, late Morris Kharjana, late Brenki L. Nongpur, late Brikshan Nongkanri, late Hetwen Yangrai, late Bomiwel Walang, late Tura Singh Dakhar, late Brim Sotun, late Iscott Marbanyang, and late Hastings Kharkungor. The school was then established in the year 1972 and was known as Rai Laban Kasi High School, Millennium Ship. In 1978, it was renamed as Rai Laban High School and at present as Rai Laban Secondary School. At first, the school did not have a full-time headmaster, and late Hastings Kharkungor was appointed as an honorary headmaster of the school. The first teaching staffs of the school were Srimati I. Nongneng, Srimati Marveline Carol Rani, both of them are here today in this function, late Feripel Maulong, late Nina Renja, and the first non-teaching staff was late Edwin Lamare. At first, only ME school was open from classes 4 to 6 for day scholars. The night school was open in 1976 for classes 9 and 10. In 1977, the school was permitted to open class 7 and 8. The lower primary school was opened in 1983. Late Robilin Rani was the first teacher in the LP section. The ME school was brought under the deficit system on the 1st of October 1981. And the LP school was brought under the deficit system in February 1986. Class 7 and 8 was recognized in 1984. The class 10 students of the school was permitted to appear in the HSLC examination for the first time as regular candidates was in the year 1981. Since the inception of the school, Miss Ainita Nengnong was appointed as one of the teachers of the school. She was then promoted to the post of headmistress in the year 1985. Till her retirement in 2010, Ms. Nongneng had served the school for 38 long years. After the retirement of Srimati I. Nongneng, late K. Kharkungor, who was holding the post of the assistant headmaster, was then promoted to the post of headmaster in 2010. He served as a headmaster of the school from 2010 to 2013. After his retirement, Srimati M. Lingdo was appointed as the headmistress of the school since April 2014 till date. The school receives funds from the government for payment of salaries to the teaching staff of the deficit teachers of LP school, upper primary school, and ad hoc pay to the secondary teachers. However, the fund sanctioned by the government for payment of salary to all the teaching and non-teaching staff is received once in three months, and this has caused great financial problem to all the teachers. This issue was discussed in the MC meeting of the school, in which the then president of the managing committee, Mr. K.F. Rangat, and the committee members unanimously agreed to send a proposal to the Right Laban Dorbar for financial support to ease the problem of the staff which they had been facing for a long time. It was in the year 2011 that the Rai Laban Dorbar had approved the said proposal and sanctioned the revolving fund for payment of regular monthly salary. There are 3 achievements in 2015. The school won the interzone and extempo speech competition organized by the Choral Jubilee Celebration Committee of KJDSTA. Won the essay writing competition by Nanusha Marbanyang, organized by the Khasi Students Union. Another is Darisha Samanda Tilingdo, who won the essay competition senior category organized by Tata Building India. Also in the year 1915, the school also got the best unit from the Junior Red Cross, JRC. The school also introduced the computer class for classes 5 to 10 on the 30th of April 2015 and was inaugurated by the former president of the managing committee, Shri E. Karwanlang, Karwanlang, who is present with us here today. The expenditure for the computer assets was borne by the sponsoring body of the school. In 2016, the school was also awarded the Best March Past Team in the Inter-School March Past Competition Laban Zone, organized by Right Laban Sports Club, from completing its 100 years of existence, and runners-up in the basketball competition, organized by Seng Samla Madan Laban and Riyad Laban. In 2017, another student, Clarence Marbanyang, won the first prize in poetry competition in Khasi, organized by the All India Poeters Conference in the 7th Meghalaya Poetry Competition. In 2019, 2 students of the LP section, Wanrap and Banet Skem Penmao, got second prize in the science exhibition held at Laban Presbyterian School. In 2020, 2 students of the school participated in the competition at Usoso Tham Auditorium on the 80th death anniversary of Usoso Tham, conducted by Arts and Culture Department. Regina Bawanri Biang Lengdo won the first prize in singing competition solo, whereas Priscilla Lamlanti Lingdo won the first prize in recitation and the 3rd prize in painting competition. The annual performance of the school in various internal examinations is always satisfactory. In the secondary school leaving certificate examination, or SSLC, the school always attained 80% and above, and with distinction marks in various subjects. It is worth appreciating the hard work, encouragement, guidance, and cooperation of the teachers and parents, and the efforts of the students that has helped the school achieve this milestone.
It is with immense pleasure that I participate in the opening ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Laban Secondary School. Jubilees are occasions to be celebrated to recall the marvelous ways in which the school has fulfilled its mission in imparting education, moral and spiritual values, and discipline to help build leaders who will bring about a culture of peace and love which our society and our country needs today. Jubilees also provide an opportunity to reflect on the past achievements of the school, as well as to introspect on the preparations to meet the challenges that lie ahead. As we know that this school is established in the year 1972, and as mentioned earlier, it has provided opportunities, and it is still providing opportunities to students from different family backgrounds. and also to enable them to make use of their inborn talents and skills so that they become useful citizens in the future. The objectives of this school throughout the 50 years of its existence have not changed. The students, teachers, and other functionaries may come and go, but the school's noble aims remain as a beacon for others to follow. Teaching and learning is a lifelong process that the educators and learners tread together.
The primary objective for setting up of the school in this area of the Laban is for imparting education to the poor and the downtrodden families who are incapable of sending their children to other standard schools. Being one of the oldest school in the area of Laban, the Laban Secondary School during these years has made significant contribution toward providing quality education to the student. I am happy that the school, with great difficulties, has grown from strength to strength and has become well established in providing quality education to the students of this area. Since its humble inception in 1972, the school has made tremendous progress and achievement. The Laban Darbar, as the President has already said, being the sponsoring body of the school, has provided financial requirement such as salary to the staff and other expenses. The Laban Darbar will try its endeavor to continue extension of the contribution and assistance to the school in the years to come. I would like to say that this old wooden structure of the school will not be able to stand for long years. Time has come for the management of the school to think it over for finding ways and means for replacement of this old building with a new concrete structure. But it is not an easy process. Challenges have to be faced, and the entire efforts lies with the wisdom of the school managing committee. How to find out, how to achieve for development and to make the school for a better future. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to extend my warm greeting to the management committee, the headmistress, the teachers and students, and wish the school more success in the years to come. With these few words, I thank you all. Thank you.
There comes a time when we hear you sad call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth in your love's all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me.
Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken heart. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. This is who I'm meant to be. This is me. The sharpest words wanna cut me down. I'm gonna stand up loud, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And we're marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I'll make no apologies. This is me.
From your eyes, let's don't let a good thing die, oh honey. You know I've never lied to you. No, not much. Yeah, yeah. trap. I can't walk because I love you too much, baby. Oh, don't you know? Why can't you see? Oh, what you're doing to me when you don't believe what I'm saying. Oh, don't you know? Caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby.
chính số của mình cả mình xin mà bằng về để bị mình cả bỏ chính số là luôn nên chính still real from in your world quá khăn nhà bị bằng là tiếng your ngã sụp lo quá ya but be shawty with you girl I'm in love shawty you the one no replacement now shawty you the one that I'm thinking about shawty mama see that you're the only one I wanna reach hey right I wanna treat fake love no room true love that's you without a touch I wanna know you should have thought I'm gonna be there for you girl I want you girl I need you tell me what I gotta do just to stay right next to you girl I want you girl I need you tell me what I gotta do just to stay right next to you
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy.